Hello and welcome to Citizens Southeast, located on Lotus Drive in Cleveland's Lee Harvard neighborhood. Here you'll find our elementary school, Citizens Academy Southeast, and our middle school, Citizens Leadership Academy Southeast, all located in the same building. My name is Charlotte and I'm so excited to take you on a tour of school today. I'm an 8th grade student here and I love coming to school every day to learn and have fun with my friends. Our school has so many cool things to see and do, and I can't wait to show them all to you. From our colorful college-themed classrooms to our new playground and more. There's something here for everyone. So let's get started and see what makes our school such a special place. Here at Citizens Southeast and all our other breakthrough schools, you'll find 2 teachers in every kindergarten through 2nd grade classroom providing a personalized learning experience for each scholar based on their skills, strengths, and needs. Kindergartners here learn the foundation for important skills like reading and math that they will carry with them throughout their entire life. This is our cafeteria where we enjoy free breakfast and lunch daily. It's a big space with many tables and chairs, and we get to sit with our friends and enjoy a brain break. Here's one of my favorite areas, our beautiful courtyard and newly built playground. Let's check it out. As you can see, the sun is shining bright, and it's the perfect place to have fun and relax. We love being able to take a break from learning, move our bodies, and play with our friends. It even has a rock wall you could climb. Our playground isn't just about fun and games, we also have something special, the buddy bench. Buddy benches were invented to combat loneliness and bullying in schools. If you ever feel lonely or just want someone to talk to, you could sit right there. It's a signal to your classmate that you're looking for a buddy and they'll come over to chat or play. So there you have it, our awesome new playground. It's the perfect place to have fun, make friends, and even have some quiet moments on the buddy bench. On the 2nd floor, we have our middle school. You'll find young learners and inspiring teachers who are dedicated to nurturing their educational growth and creating the love of learning. This is where the middle school scholars come to learn and prepare for high school and beyond. Throughout the day, we learn a variety of subjects like English, math, science, and more. And just like at high school, each subject is taught in a different classroom. We also have access to technology. Every student is assigned their own Chromebook for schoolwork. We also offer student services. Teachers offer support for students with IEPs, counseling, English as a new language support, speech therapy, and more. The teachers here are good at working with us and ensuring we understand everything. It's a fun and supportive environment where everyone can feel welcome and comfortable. As we walk inside the school, you'll notice a busy place with classrooms, hallways, and lots of friendly faces. But sometimes we need a quiet and supportive spot. That's where the dean's office comes in. Here's the dean's office. It's where we can go when we need advice, help, or someone to talk to. The dean helps solve problems and make sure we're safe and happy at school. In grades 5th through 8, our scholars have clubs every week. This is a time where me and my friends get to participate in an elected class that is aligned with our interests. Some clubs are sports, art, student council, tea club, girls empowerment, film studies, board clubs, chess, and so much more. If there isn't a club that you like, you could even create a club of your own. This is the gym. We get to run around, play games, and exercise. The gym is a great place to be. We get to move our bodies, have fun with our friends, and stay healthy. We also use the gym for basketball, cheerleading, and other fun extracurricular activities. Welcome to our auditorium, everyone. This is where all the magic happens, from community meetings every Friday to epic assemblies and even our graduation ceremony. This is a space where our whole school comes together to celebrate and show school spirit. Well, it's been great showing you around our school today. I hope you have fun and learn a lot about the different places we visit. I'm really proud of our school and all the things we have to offer. Citizens Southeast is a joyful place to learn, grow, and make new friends. We have amazing teachers and staff here to help us thrive, and we have lots of cool programs and activities to get involved in. To learn even more, visit breakthroughschools.org or call our Office of Student Enrollment at 216-367-5720. Thank you for coming on this tour with me. We hope to welcome you soon.